Good evening. News that businessman Dennis Chung is stepping down as the interim president of the Jamaica Cycling Federation, JCF, is a big blow for the only sport outside of track and field to have secured an Olympic medal, bronze, by David Weller in 1980 for the nation. It comes after some 3 months of service as the interim head of the JCF and after 2 failed attempts to stage a voting annual general meeting. Now, you will remember that Chung was ushered in to replace Kurt Finnegan after what some members said were long periods of inactivity by the Cycling Federation. Now, the reason for Chung deciding to move away, on the face of it, seems to be differences with members of the board and concerns over his leadership style. Now, our sources say Chung wanted to change the way things were done over the years in order to get some different results, but it seems there have been some pushback with some members wanting to maintain the status quo and do things the same way it was always done. Carlton Simmons, the interim coach, expressed disappointment that those differences at the executive level could not have been worked out, but clearly Chung is at his wits' end. Meanwhile, even with the uncertainty of who will run for the presidency this month end, what is crystal clear is the sport of cycling remains stagnated. This with Jamaica's best Olympic hope, Marla Rodsman's chances of becoming only the 18th Jamaican cyclist to compete at the Tokyo 2020 edition fading fast. I'm Keon Reyna. Good evening.